Okay guys, in this video I'm going to do the last two problems on this review, which is 30 and 31. And so let's get started. The first one is just simply input output given a table. And so when my x is 7, what is my f of x, or what is my y? So if you think of this chart as x and y, and you think of this as your x value, and we're looking for our y value. And so when x is 7, it goes with 6. So f of 7 equals 6. F of 3 equals 0. And now this one asks you a little bit more complicated. It's giving you the f of x value, or it's giving you the y is equal to 6, and it's asking you for the x value. And so in this case, you have to look at the f of x column. So when you're given the y value of 6, who does it go with? Well, it goes with the x value of 7. Now, if you notice 31, this is about composition. We've seen a little bit of composition when we're given two functions. We have yet to see how do we do the composition when we're given a table. And so this is a little bit more complicated. And so let's take a look of what the notation is saying. So this is saying when your g is 0, or your g of x is equal to 0, what does that give you for, or when your x is 0? So when your x is 0, it gives you a g of x of 5. So let me see if I can write this. G of 0 would be f of g of 0 went to 5. And so then we have to figure out when x is 5. When x is 5, what is my f of x, which is 6. So the answer is 6. Again, let's journey through 31b. This one is x value, so you have to start at your x value. So when we have g f of 5, that turns into g of f of 5 turns into, what was f of 5? Let's figure out f of, when x is 5, it gives you a 6. Now we need, this is an x value. What is g when your x is 6? 3. And the last one, g of 7. So the first thing we need to do is go to when x is x value. When x is 7, now go to the g function. It gives you a 0. Now we have to go, this is an x value. Go back to your x. X is 0. What is your g function? 5. The answer is 5. Hope this helps.